In this video, we're going to talk about long division with remainders, and I'm also going to show you how to check your work after you're done dividing to make sure that you've divided correctly. In this example, we have 3,719 divided by 7, and I'm going to use the vertical bring down method to divide these numbers. 7 does not go into 3, so I'm going to put a 0 up here to hold that spot. 0 times 7 is 0. Subtract that, and I'm going to bring down my next number. Okay, 7 goes into 37 5 times without going over. 5 times 7 is 35. Subtract 35 from 37. I have 7 minus 5 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. Bring down my next number, which is a 1. 7 goes into 21 3 times. 3 times 7 is 21. Subtract that, and I have 2 zeros. Almost done. Need to bring down this last number, which is a 9. 7 goes into 9 one time without going over. 1 times 7 is 7. And if I subtract that, I get 2. Now that 2 becomes my remainder because I don't have any other numbers to bring down. So I'm going to put R stands for remainder 2. And to check this problem, to make sure that I did my division correctly, I'm going to multiply my quotient, which is 531, times my divisor, which is 7. So on the side, I'm going to multiply 531 times 7. Hold on to the remainder. We're not going to do anything with the remainder quite yet. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. Put my 1 down there. Bring out my 2. 7 times 5 is 35. Plus 2 more is 37. All right, I'm almost done. As you can see, I'm very close to my original number here. But I have that remainder there, and what we do with the remainder is we add it on. So I'm going to take 2 and add it to this number. 2 plus 7 is 9. Then you bring down the rest of them. And as long as this bottom number right here matches your dividend inside the box, then you know you did it correctly. So 531, remainder 2, is the answer to 3,719 divided by 7. Now you can pause the video and try the next problem on your own, or if you're not quite ready to do that yet, you can follow along as I do this problem. We have 511 divided by 6. So I'm going to divide 6 into 5 first, which I can't do. So I put a 0 here. 0 times 6 is 0. Subtract. And I'm going to bring down my next number. Okay, so now I have 51 divided by 6. 6 goes into 51 8 full times without going over. 8 times 6 is 48. Subtract. 11 minus 8 is 3. Then 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay. Bring down my last number, which is a 1. And I'm going to divide 31 by 6. 6 goes into 31 5 times without going over. 5 times 6 is 30. So I'm going to subtract 30 from 31, which gives me 1. And since I don't have any other numbers to bring down, I know that that 1 is my remainder. Okay? So now I'm going to check my work just like I did over here. Where you take the number on top and you multiply it by the number on the side. This is your quotient and this is your divisor. I'm going to multiply those two numbers. 85 times 6. Okay. 6 times 5 is 30. And 6 times 8 is 48. Plus 3 more is 51. Okay, almost done. Next step, do you remember what it is? Yep, I need to add my remainder. So my remainder was 1. I'm going to add that in. And my answer is 511. which happens to be the same number in there. So I know I did it correctly. And that's long division with remainders.